I get this far, I used to doubt myself. God dealt me this hand, I used to out myself. Breaking in houses when I was younger, I was.
What's up, gang? Back with another video. Come do my intro. What's up, gang? Go to another video. Me and Brittany is gonna be doing a mukbang. Brittany's doing look bad. Brittany don't really want to try it. She trying it though, so if she throw up in her bowl, I'm looking so bad. But anyway, let's start this mother. No, we gotta start this motherfucking video. So what is we gonna talk about?
We could talk about sneaky links.
I can do that shit. I tried it. It shit might be nasty, but it might be good.
So, y'all know.
Well, I'm talking about motherfucking snake like
You heard that?
at the last minute.
So, I don't know. First fight.
I made a video about that. I made a video about that. So they already know about my first fight. So let's talk about you.
Okay.
So how you doing with me? Because if you watch the movie and
To be honest, I don't know. I feel like I'm all over the place. Physically, mentally, and emotionally.
they must have got something sticking out their mouth. Shit, they. I tried that shit. It did not work. You see that shit?
Yeah, that's. I had to stop myself. That shit's not it. Let's try it with the noodles though. You know how they be. They on God, they be like that. I be like.
They do though.
They really do. Well, I don't know, but currently we just eating.
Don't make them sound fat.
We're up eating.
This is dry.
We're up eating, but it's actually kind of
We're
good.
gonna take a pause. Gotta get some seasoning.
Y'all need to go grab some fucking mayonnaise.
Y'all, sorry, this is weird.
And that cold ass water hit different. Y'all know. Okay, about my personality though, I'm bipolar and I'm toxic. But I'm nice sometimes. Sometimes I spaz out badly. It don't be my fault. It be Alexis' fault. Y'all know who she is, but she got Alexis too. I really be more worried about her than me.
Your attitude.
I got that bird down.
That bird. Mama throw up. No, I'm gonna eat this one. You wanna eat?
I got
two.
the bird. You ate one.
See how much you said you want to split some in half. Come on.
I feel my stomach going crazy on the inside. Split it in half.
Straight in half.
Straight in my mouth.
This is straight.
Gone. It's the middle part that get me.
Here come the person.
But no, I'm cool. I'm 16. And my birthday is December 21st, 2005. Federal.
You're doing too much.
Federal. But y'all her family, so y'all my family, so I got y'all. Y'all should know. My favorite food is
It would
wings,
be-
burgers,
and you know-
and fries.
I don't even care because I'm tired of people. We moving. Don't. No, me personally, we trying to find a house though.
In a car.
We really just trying to find all this like. It's
Hey, all
really
y'all
hard
did.
out here for a parent.
I don't understand.
They're trying to get some money for the rent.
They don't understand. No, it's hard out here for a pimp when you trying to get that money for the rent.
Brittany, you on camera.
I'm just playing. I hope y'all find this video funny, cause
We
I
don't
would.
treat nobody in like this in person. We like, bro.
We really don't fuck with people,
Like, bro,
but
don't.
we can fuck with people. We always get mugged though. We always get mugged.
Always, like, y'all hate
Oh
us or
God, we
something.
get mugged. Like we was door dashing like last weekend.
These
We got
ugly
on a
ass
plastic.
teenagers
This
with
ugly
their-
ass teenagers.
They
See them
don't-
at the
I
car.
hope
I
they
pointed
see
at
this.
this. I hope they see. I hope y'all know. Oh, God. Look, what the fuck is y'all pointing? Like, what are you mugging us for? And this one girl was riding on a thing on a scooter with her boyfriend.
Ugly ass.
Like, nobody
Think you
wanted
so
that
wrong.
nigga. Like, because we. Oh, I was gonna say something that just y'all wouldn't understand.
It was bad. We wanted to get out and beat their ass.
No,
Forget out.
we did. It was at the plastic and it was four. Was it 2 or 4 cop cars in the middle?
It was so, you know.
It was 2 cop cars in the middle too.
Y'all know, y'all
It was
kids
a lot-
going to jail.
It was a lot of black kids on the plaza riding the scooters. I ain't never rode the scooter
Y'all out there
before.
being hoes like that.
Motherfuckers be out. My bad. People be out until 3 in the morning riding on scooters in the plaza, all around the plaza.
Won't you go ahead then?
Her?
I was just playing.
Nah, but
That word. I told y'all she beat on people all day. Like,
only person that deserve to get beat on this motherfucker. That motherfucker sleeping.
shut up here. Sit down.
Y'all heard her say me. I was talking about this nigga over here. I have a dog. We used to have another kid together.
I
Her
could
name
really
was Zoe.
take that syringe and stuff a hella mustard in his nose.
You know, we can take a needle and then put it in his vein and then just do it like have air and push it back in there and he'll die automatically.
Yeah, we should go out and kidnap people
You should just buy a motherfucking
and blow up
old ass
everything.
needle and just put it in his arm. I was gonna say something, but I hope that it. Hope you can cut that out. For real, get on iMovie though. That help.
Yeah, y'all.
Honestly, we
Well,
haven't
about
went to sleep
me,
yet.
I cut a lot of people off personally,
She did.
and she did too. She don't answer her phone. Everybody knows that, especially Cretavious. He used to play around all the time, and he was just a friend. Ain't that right?
We help content. We didn't talk for real.
I know, y'all. I wouldn't never say that though.
I don't fuck with hoes.
But he did say you done with him.
Corsavius is whatever he is. But that's not a love interest, y'all.
My brother, I ain't gonna talk about
No.
that man.
Do you have a love interest right now, Abriana?
He trying to get it. No, nobody's ever tell me that they love me.
I love
They
you.
love me for real. Like,
I do.
I love you more. I take this shit.
I know.
More than you tell anybody.
Y'all.
I just want to let y'all know that I've been gone because I've been trapped in my own mind to the point where I have a new mindset that grew on me, even stronger, to the point where I'm reaching to get somewhere else. I want a job, you know, I want to do shit, you know, want to, you know, get more outfits and stuff, you know, do life, girls. Until then, I'm talking about that. There go that motherfucking air. I tell you, I'm not going to end the video.
Alright, y'all. Well, we had fun eating with y'all and talking with y'all and our conversating. And I don't know her outro, but I do know that we love y'all. We hope y'all enjoy your days and like and comment and subscribe. And, you know, tell a bad B I said kiss this. Tell them bye. I said bad B kiss this.
Oh, bad B, kiss this.
Ooh, that didn't look right. Alright,
Ooh,
bye
that
now.
didn't look right. I know.
Bye y'all.
Bye, y'all.
That bitch die, like you ain't gonna never see them again. Don't need time, waiting on nobody.